You think they'll just replace the door?
Yes, they will.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no question.
Wow.
Because the damage and it being so sucked in and pulled away from where those hinges are.
I was worried about that, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely going to have a door. But again, once we get in there
Pull
and
it
get
out.
it taken apart, then we'll know.
Right.
And I put to replace both hinges because it's so shoved in there.
Okay.
But you could even have some hinge pillar damage, but we're not going to know until these panels come off.
You know, we named the car Carnage. I never thought that like Carnage had actually happened to it. But now it's back here with all the broken vehicles. It's okay. It'll get better. We'll see you later, Carnage. About 3 or 4 weeks. Alright guys, here it is. Project Carnage all tore apart. So this is the update to what's basically going on. And some of you guys right off the bat are going to wonder, why in the world do they have the front bumper and everything off? Well, let's go to the back here. They have it all tore apart back here as well. And as explained to me, that is pretty much just, you know, so when they put them in the booth, they don't mess up those front and back bumpers. They got the tail lights out. It's just part of their prep work so they don't move it, you know, scratch it up and cause further damage or issues or anything like that. So before we get to the other side, they are going to fix this dent down here from the dealership whenever I took delivery. So there's that dent right there, and there's a little scratch. So they're going to paint this and then blend it into the door. They are assuring me that it will be a perfect match with no issues. So as we walk around the other side, man, I hate seeing it like this. You know, it's such a brand new, oh, the door's gone. Oh, this is bad. So this is Project Carnage that we're looking at here, and there's definitely some carnage done to this car. See if I can back up a little bit. Yep. It is torn to pieces. It is honestly really making me sick to my stomach to see the car like this. There's 3,600 miles on the car. It's 2019. You guys know that. Brand new car. And it is in pieces. Wow, I'm about to wrap this video up because I just don't even want to see this. This makes me sick, honestly. But so they ordered the door. They did order the door, and when it came here, I guess it was flawed. Something happened during shipping, so that they reordered everything. So now we're waiting again. The fender should be here somewhere, but they're all OEM Ford parts. So that is one of the things that a lot of you guys had questions about. You know, is it going to get aftermarket parts? These are Ford OEM, so they're going to put back this car. You know, it's going to be OEM like new when I bought it. So I'm being told anyway. But we go down here to the rocker. So I thought that there was maybe some damage down here, but there's not really. So I guess what happened was when they hit us, you know, this kick panel just got like knocked loose. But you know, here's the mirror cap right there. So they should be taking good care of this. The seat wobble, especially on the driver's side seat, they've got a new seat brackets, the tracks. They're going to try to swap those out to see if they can get rid of some of that play and that wobble that should not exist with the Recaro seats. And time will tell as that goes on. But man, this thing is completely tore apart. Oh man. So this looks, you know, really bad. But overall, the damage is less significant than, you know, I originally thought at the time. Yeah, of course, we didn't know if that fender, if any of the, you know, the frame had been pushed in, or if there's something extensive going on beneath the body work, you know, like the you know, all that down there looks okay. Didn't know if the hood got scratched up because the fender got pushed into the hood, but I think it's probably okay. Nothing weird there. So overall, this is a concern for a lot of people too, is how is this A-pillar affected? But it's pretty much untouched, so we're good to go there. But man, oh man, this is not a lovely sight. So the front suspension nothing got messed up there either. So nothing to do with the wheel. That was all fine. You know, everything, all those suspension components down there are completely fine. It drives 100%. It's just purely cosmetic. All right, so this is going to wrap up our little update to Project Carnage. So if you are here for the first time, definitely subscribe. Hit the subscribe and notification bell. It definitely helps me out. And you can stay tuned and glued to the channel to see this thing come back to life. And then we can start modifying it and, you know, throwing some power at it, because I've started saving up some money, and there's a plan to attack this thing with some mods pretty quickly. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, you're not going to believe this. So we're almost home, literally, pulling in to get gas at Love's, and I'm going to call him an idiot, because there's no way he didn't see me. Crashes into the side, the passenger side, just completely destroys my car.
They're saying a dispatch out.
So we got a door, we got a mirror, we got fenders, all of this. Yep, that's done down there. Wheel looks okay. Maybe. It's not good, man. Not good. I'm pretty upset. Alright guys, I can't even open this door. That's it. It's as far as it goes. This is how hard we got hit. Down there, that panel is actually kicked forward. You can't open the door. Look at this. That panel's actually kicked forward.
You need to move your car.
Well,
there's the car.
right, I know, I see him. Hang on, I'm getting this on video. So yeah, we got smacked pretty good. Like, he just completely didn't hear the horn. You know, we were just driving up like normal. Didn't hear the horn. Didn't look out of his mirrors. Doesn't know how to drive a big truck. Accidents happen, but this could have been avoided all day long. It's just a stupid accident.
That's you. GMC 3500. Get waterproof paper.
You would think.
I got one in too. Here. let me turn mine on.
He's got one of these.
I make YouTube videos.
Okay, well good. Let's get everybody on there. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. Okay, now.
So we're coming in, and then there's
Hi,
a
you too.
vehicle right in front of us, so we had to stop. So we came to a full stop right there, where I was parked.
Awesome.
And then,
And he didn't see any back then.
well, at the time he was sitting still while I was stopped, and then when he started coming back, I noticed she's like, "Oh my God!" And then so I'm laying on the horn, and I can't move because there's a vehicle in front of me, and then there's
So what I said.
I'm sorry.
So you were sitting there, couldn't go nowhere, and he backed into it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is really not the kind of video that I ever wanted to make. Well, so kind of a loss for words. Oh, I can't open the door. Oh man. Crap. Some gap issues here. All this needs to be replaced. This fender's gone. It's done. They'll probably just replace it. I don't know if they can get all this out. That'd be great. The door is nuts. Yeah, missing paint. It goes all the way up into here. Then it pushed the fender close to the hood. So, and I got some weird shaking in the hood. I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not. Paint over here, because this is actually pushed in completely, and you can see the extent of the damage. It's pretty significant. Looking at the back of the GoPro now, and it doesn't look like it's you know, it's that bad, but in person it's like, oh my God.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.